guys, and welcome back to Mesha's Corner. So today I'll be doing a Q&A part 2, so let's get into it.
To start off the interview, I think we should actually start at, what Mesha's Corner actually is. We know, of course, everyone knows it's a YouTube channel, but can you tell us a little bit about what Mesha's Corner is and how it started?
Mesha's Corner started from when I was in culinary school. I was not a YouTuber. They wanted all of us, your class, to do a portfolio, but I decided to do a visual portfolio by cooking and making videos and turning that in, which I got an A. And from there, I didn't do anything else. After school, I left it alone. I actually didn't have any content for about 8 or 9 months. But then when I looked and it was picking up, I decided, okay, I want to continue. So that's how it really started. Mesha's Corner is just my little world where I cook, I share recipes, I go live, I talk with you guys, I do unboxings, I talk about my daily life, I vlog. It's just something that became more than just a hobby to me. So that's what Mesha's Corner is. I cook and do all the fun stuff.
You kind of took us along that journey pretty much, because we have videos dating all the way back to in the middle of school. But we also have a vlog about when you finally got your degree and you were officially Chef Welsh. And that's actually what it says on your degree. A lot of people don't actually know that, and they're in the comments asking, what exactly do you do? Are you a chef or you're not a chef? You really don't actually call yourself a chef in your videos. Can you tell us why?
Well, for one, I don't call myself a chef anymore. I used to a little bit, but I don't, because I feel like the word itself comes with a lot of politics and opinions. And, you're not going to decide who I am because I'm not in the lane that you're in. Just like with any doctors and lawyers, there's levels. Just because we both went to school to become a chef doesn't mean we both have to work on a line. There's different levels to being a chef. Now, I don't need to introduce myself as a chef, because when people get my food and see my work, they know that I'm a chef. So I don't need to, waving the flag, chef here, I just let people judge me for themselves with my food. Again, like he said, I have my culinary degree. However, I chose a different route. So, yeah. And I'm also a recipe developer. I'm an online personality. I'm a home cook, and now officially a spice developer. So that's exactly who I am.
And with all those things that you're actually doing all on this channel, where do you see this channel? Where do you see Mesha's Corner in about 5 years?
Well, where Mesha's Corner goes in 5 years depends on my subscribers. If you guys subscribe to me and share my videos and try my recipes, I'm hoping I could have at least 1 to 2 million subscribers in 5 or 10 years. That would be nice. However, all the other opportunities that came to me from me being a YouTuber was far more, bigger. So I appreciate it. I hope you guys share my recipes. I hope y'all help me get to 1 million subscribers. The better content, the more y'all watch, the better content I'll have.
And what do you love most about yourself right now?
I love that I'm a very forgiving person. I have a very forgiving spirit. Even people that I should not forgive, I forgive all the time. And I like that it's easy for me to forgive people and move on. I may not speak to you again, but I forgive people easily and I just move on. I love that about myself.
Who has influenced you the most? Who has inspired you as you're going through all this right now on your channel and building your business and all that kind of stuff right now?
Well, the most influential people in my life was my father and my husband. Of course, Jesus Christ, But my husband works very, very hard, and he's just a go-getter. He goes dumb hard. My father, when he was alive, he went dumb hard. And, they really just inspire me to go even harder at what I do and want to achieve my dreams. So if I had to pick 2 people or pick a couple people, it would be Jesus, my father, and my husband.
And continue on about inspirations. A lot of people don't know that after or even during as you were going through school, graduation, all that, you were known for actually coming up with some pretty amazing dishes, from soups, different drinks, all these kind of things, and they literally just came off the top of your head. As it was found that you had a pretty good palate. You could literally taste things and come up with a recipe for it, or tell what the ingredient is. What is your fave styles of cooking?
I cook whatever comes to mind. I could tell you right now, I don't think my husband eats the same thing twice in a week. My inspiration comes from the supermarket. There's plenty of times I go in the supermarket to grocery shop and I don't even have a grocery list. I go there, I see something that looks good that day. Maybe the spinach looks good, maybe the steak looks good, the chicken looks good, and I'll get it and conjure something up, and there it is. My favorite cuisine to cook, I love cooking American food. I do. My favorite cuisine to eat is Caribbean food. Of course, my own roots. I love curry chicken. I love oxtail, stew peas, but they're very tedious to make. Oh God. But, so I'm not a fan of making them, but I love to eat them, and yeah, so.
Now, going off topic from cooking, you actually do like reality TV shows quite a bit. What are your
That was shade, y'all. That was shade. That was shade. But we're gonna move it along.
What are your fave reality TV shows, and which one of them would you actually want to be a part of?
I would love to be on Chopped, simply because my imagination is insane. Sometimes I don't even show you guys certain things that come up in my head because I just don't think you guys will like it or want to cook it. But I would love to be on Chopped. I like Chopped. But we're not gonna answer shady for Mr. Man over here and say, y'all ladies know what I'm talking about. So we're gonna keep it on food, and I'm gonna go with Chopped. I would love to be on the Chopped competition show.
I see. I'm pretty sure everyone has noticed as of late that you've been posting about your spice on Instagram. Can you tell everyone a little bit more details about your spice, what they should be looking forward to, where is it coming from, as far as inspiration or country per se?
The inspiration overall came from me cooking daily. You know, when I cook on my channel, I make these several different spice mixes that I use on meat, vegetables, and people always ask me, do you have a cookbook? Do you have a spice out? And I'm just like, no, unfortunately, no. So eventually I came up with one, and it's in like the Middle Eastern realm. I didn't want to just make a seasoning salt or throw a couple spices together and sell it to you guys and tell you I made it up. No, I did a lot of research. And you know, I'm just obsessed with the spice, and I hope you guys love it just as much as I do. It is a meat and poultry seasoning. However, it works great on vegetarian and vegan dishes.
Are there any other new products that you might be surprising us with at some point this year, future?
Well, you know what? It's kind of too early right now to be spilling the tea. I can't be spilling all the tea right now. But yes, absolutely yes. Now I got my niche. You know, now I got some fire under my you know what. So I'm not gonna stop. You know, we already have something going in the works that drops this fall for the holiday season. So I'm looking forward to that, and yeah.
Before we wrap this up, is there anything else you want to chat with us about? Anything else you want to just talk about?
I just wanted to say, be careful how you treat people. The energy that you put out is the energy that you get back in. Stay positive, stay prayed up, you know, work on yourself, work on your goals. Even if you don't believe in Jesus Christ, I know everyone believes in energy. And just keep good energy around you 24/7 and just stay positive, because what you put out is what you get back. And that's it. Peace.